What's up, traders? My name is Layla, and welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. U.S. equity markets navigated another volatile week as investors weighed strong economic signals with mounting regulatory scrutiny, tech weakness, and lingering tariff uncertainty. Stocks kicked off Monday on firmer footing, with major indexes rebounding from the prior week's losses. Technology shares led the recovery, clawing back parts of a staggering $1 trillion market cap drawdown. Oracle, Databricks, and AppLovin all stood out. Databricks raised $5 billion at a $134 billion valuation, underscoring powerful AI-driven growth and IPO potential. Meanwhile, AppLovin surged 14% after short seller allegations were withdrawn. McDonald's impressed with better-than-expected earnings and strong same-store sales fueled by value promotions. Kroger also announced a new CEO as part of its strategic reset. Tuesday brought quieter trading as investors absorbed a weaker-than-expected December retail report, though fourth quarter GDP projections remained solid. Paramount sweetened its hostile bid for Warner Bros. Discovery. Disney tapped debt markets for the first time since 2020 with a $4 billion bond issuance, and Kalshi launched a record $1 billion in Super Bowl-related trading volume. Wednesday delivered a key macro catalyst. January's job report topped expectations with 130,000 non-farm payrolls added, unemployment dipping to 4.3%, and wages rising faster than forecast. Healthcare ended up leading job gains. The overall report reinforced confidence and economic momentum, even as major indexes still finished lower and extended losses into Thursday. Regulatory headlines added pressure. The FTC asked Apple to review alleged bias in Apple News, and the FDA declined to review Moderna's mRNA vaccine over comparator concerns. All the while, European publishers filed an antitrust complaint against Google, targeting its AI overviews tool. Tariff policy remained a wild card and added even more pressure. Trump-era tariffs have pushed importers into a record $3.6 billion custom bond shortfall, raising the stakes around a pending Supreme Court decision that could trigger refunds and fresh volatility. Tech and AI continue to demand attention. Waymo rolled out its sixth-generation autonomous system in Ojai robotaxis, and broader AI names like CoreWeave and NVIDIA saw gains. However, Microsoft and Amazon remained under pressure, while Apple posted modest gains despite delays tied to Siri upgrades. Semiconductor and memory chip stocks benefited from sustained AI demand. Micron, SanDisk, Seagate, and Western Digital all ended up rallying. Investors also tracked corporate shifts elsewhere. Target trimmed corporate roles while expanding store staffing, and Novo Nordisk faced FDA scrutiny over weight loss drug advertising. In crypto, pressure persisted as Bitcoin and Ethereum extended their pullbacks. By this week's end, investors were left balancing optimism with caution. Volatility may stick around, but resilient fundamentals, accelerating innovation, and corporate adaptability suggest the market still has room to run in the weeks ahead. For more market updates, tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below to Bullish Bear for more market recap videos. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.